'cause life been moving on. I can't deny it, now you are gone. This is the first time can I make it through without you now. Do the things I used to do. It's getting harder to ease the pain. The feeling changes and love still remains. I don't know how, if I can get this right. Maybe given time I'll make the most of what I've got.